is giving me a haircut, so that is why I'm here. So please share this video and then let's see how it goes. All right. Epine. All right, so we're going to change this chair because she's pregnant, so we have to be careful. How far? Nice. So I am going to YouTube. I'm buy. Any your stuff.
This is pretty you have a black or shamrock. Well, I know. We're gonna just na hearing for you.
It's my YouTube. You don't have a kimunya. Or I be your person. I just laugh. So YouTube don't pay me now.
How many times?
That 2 times now. Kako haji kimya biko kwa tara. Kako hao kwa tara.
So
Man, I'm just trying to
forget me. What you gonna look at me? I need like fake life. I don't like that.
Why would I be doing fake life for nothing? I could keep waiting you. Machine nobody knew one higher man. Key.
Because we are not seeing it now, I'm doing it so that
you know
all the hair will come out.
Who was a good killer? What area? So my wife is giving me a haircut. Can you see? My beautiful wife. My beautiful pregnant wife. When the baby is out, we'll give him this video to watch so that if he get married, he should make his wife his friend. And the wife should make her husband her friend. That's marriage counseling. No be so. Yeah?
So
No be so.
teach him to be a responsible boy.
A man will be a man that respects women, not a man that will be beating the wife. Imagine somebody will beat his wife and then in the night he will be saying, baby, come this side. Baby, can you come closer? Just imagine that. That's crazy, man. You maltreat her in daytime, but when it's nighttime,
I tell you, I don't know what came.
I don't know what came over me.
Sorry.
Yeah. Women with their kind heart, they will see forgive and they will move on. So please, don't treat your wife bad. It's not good. Guys, share this video and share. She could thank her.
Come to this side now. You are stressing me.
Sorry.
You are shifting to that side.
Sorry.
You're making my stomach to on this.
Oh yeah. Sorry now. So why are you vexing? You have the right to tell me, come like this, do like this. You have the right to turn my hair like this or move my hair like this. Do you get? So that you make your husband will look like a fine boy. You are helping my ministry. I'm the one that teach her how to babble. So I'm the one that taught her. I'm the one that taught her to babble. I beg, sit down now. You know, easy. Sorry,
I'm tired.
you want to rest? Okay.
Let me try and finish up.
I know when you finish, you go and sleep.
No, let's sleep. Have somewhere to go.
Guys, please tell us where you're watching us from. What about this light? People come and go. You not see because of the reflection of the sun. Are you done? And what about this one? You're going to leave this one like this?
No. I want to adjust the distance so that I can do it very well.
So should I stand up?
No. I'm just.
I know you support Ghana. I know you.
So what number say?
You
Well, I
saw
am using but the wasn't.
go engage with pan and engage with pan.
Normally.
Chero poka ma in the bar in the bowl. Yes. Hope the sun is not disturbing you, Shao.
Not really.
Okay.
I'm hiding Nigeria.
But I at least it's a little effect. On the lower mama on back on my deal. What's the deal? Okay. Sometimes I use.
Who the jogger? Who the guy? Passing me go blow a humble pizza. Who say humble curry hungry? It's okay. Many people watching.
Kaya pagkakita, hindi utang ka. People are just commenting on that post.
Which post?
Mama Susan. Young who? Are you done?
I think so.
You're done. All right, guys. Say hi to my beautiful wife. Baby,
Hi guys.
baby, thank you. You and the baby in the belly. You have
You're
done well.
welcome.
See how she makes me look beautiful.
Handsome.
Oh,
You look
how
handsome.
she made me look handsome. Oh, sometimes English you want to disturb somebody, but she made me look so handsome. Can you imagine that? Fine girl with fine husband. Fine girl with handsome husband. Thank you, my dear.
Please, what are your thoughts on this?
What do you think about this haircut? At least I'm looking better now. Before I was looking like a prisoner. Oh my God.
Bushy.
Before I was looking like a prisoner. I'm a prisoner. I'm not a prisoner. I'm not a prisoner. Prisoner. Thank you, my dear. I really appreciate.
Bye, guys. I'm already exhausted. I'm very tired. Bye.
All right, thank you, dear. Love you, man. Now, Moshe.
Moshe.
All right, so. Yeah. Yes, we're done for the day. Nice to go and shower and then go to work. All right? Yes, so if you are married, then ask your wife to barb you or teach her. You know, sometimes you need to teach your wife. Today, I just saved money. I saved about almost 1,200. That's about $1 or something to barb. So I've saved money today because I got this Oraimo clipper, you know, with small money. And today is serving me. It's rechargeable even when we don't have light. I use it. So please like this video, share this video, comment, and then what are your thoughts? As my beautiful wife will always say, what are your thoughts? All right, guys. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.